Welcome to The Explainer. If you follow the web hosting space, you've probably seen the recent trend of videos asking one big question. Hostinger Review 2026. Is it really the best web hosting? Some creators have even made a video specifically about this, because honestly, it's getting hard to keep track of Hostinger's constant updates. One minute they're a basic budget host, and the next they're rolling out cutting-edge technology. So today, we're diving straight into the recent Cybernews 2026 review to figure out if they actually deserve the crown, or if it's all just clever marketing. Let's decode this together. Here's the roadmap for today's explainer. First, decoding value, then performance under the hood, followed by dashboard ease of use and the new AI ecosystem. Finally, we'll wrap things up with a final verdict on how they stack up against the market competition.
Okay, let's dive into Section 1, decoding value beyond the cheap price tag.
We really need to look beyond that famously cheap initial price tag, right? Does the value actually hold up? Well, the review praises Hostinger for being incredibly transparent. I mean, while other companies might hit you with hidden fees, like literally charging you extra just to change a PHP version, which is absolutely ridiculous, Hostinger bakes in all the essentials. We're talking free automatic backups, SSL certificates, domains, professional email, the whole shebang. But the real standout here, it's a free 24-hour resource boost for unexpected traffic spikes. If your site suddenly goes viral, that feature alone gives you a temporary server power-up that would easily cost you about $5 a pop anywhere else.
And this value extends heavily into e-commerce. You can use their AI website builder and WooCommerce presets with absolutely zero transaction fees on their built-in features. Zero. You keep exactly what you earn. It's an incredibly cost-effective long-term solution for sellers who just want their profits slowly chipped away by their host. Moving right along to Section 2, performance under the hood. Because let's face it, a cheap price tag is completely useless if your website takes 10 seconds to load. To really understand their performance claims, we first have to look at the hardware. Hostinger is utilizing NVMe storage. Now, for a quick refresher, this is the newer, much faster evolution of solid-state drive technology. It's the new gold standard that leaves standard SSDs in the dust when it comes to rapid data transfer, meaning your website files get delivered to your visitors incredibly fast. According to the analysis, Hostinger combines those lightning-fast NVMe drives with Lightspeed optimized servers and a free content delivery network. The review points out that this specific triad of technical features allows Hostinger to punch way above its weight class. They are effortlessly rivaling premium top players like SiteGround when it comes to raw speed, overall uptime, and handling massive traffic spikes without breaking a sweat. What makes all this performance so accessible, though, is the built-in tooling. The reviewer shared a pretty fantastic anecdote about this, noting, "Back in the day, I would have had to dig through Stack Overflow for hours just to optimize site speed. But now, you can simply run a built-in speed test directly from your dashboard. And if you get stuck, you just ask Cody, that's their integrated AI chatbot, to guide you through the optimizations or even literally handle the tasks for you. It's a real game changer that completely removes the intimidation factor from server performance." All right, on to Section 3, dashboard ease of use. Let's take an honest look at the actual cockpit of the hosting experience. Hostinger uses its own proprietary control panel called hPanel. The reviewer found it incredibly beginner-friendly, clean, and built with absolutely zero annoying upsells. Honestly, this is a massive breath of fresh air compared to cluttered competitors like Ionos, who constantly interrupt your workflow trying to sell you add-ons you just don't need. Inside this interface, you're getting customizable widgets, built-in AI troubleshooting, and seamless site staging. But the absolute massive convenience highlighted in the review is the WordPress plugin management. Get this, you can actually update and toggle your plugins directly from the hPanel, completely bypassing the messy WordPress admin dashboard altogether. That is a phenomenal time saver for anyone managing multiple sites. Now, to keep things completely objective, we do have to look at the reviewer's one real critique. The platform evolves so frequently that interface buttons sometimes move around. Because Hostinger is constantly pushing updates from a very busy development roadmap, it can cause a slightly annoying learning curve when a tool you used last week suddenly shifts to a brand new menu. But, as they noted, that's a fairly small price to pay for constant innovation. And this brilliantly illustrates our focus in Section 4, the new AI ecosystem. Hostinger has transformed dramatically over the last 5 years. They've gone from a simple shared host to a fully integrated modern platform, fueled by some heavy-hitting AI tools included directly in your subscription. First up is Hostinger Horizons, an AI web app builder capable of generating everything from basic business sites to complex finance apps you can actually sell. Next is WordPress AI, an integrated writer that can instantly publish posts and adapt your site for large language models search visibility. Finally, there's Reach, a brand new AI email marketing tool. The reviewer noted they had zero prior experience with email campaigns, but Reach made setting up professional, great-looking campaigns remarkably easy. And as if that wasn't enough, they also throw in a bonus AI toolkit. We're talking a built-in QR code generator, an AI heat map analyzer so you can see exactly where users are clicking on your site, and a background remover for your images. When you quickly list out these additional built-in micro tools, it truly hammers home the reviewer's point. The sheer amount of value you're getting in a basic subscription for just a few bucks a month is absolutely crazy. Which brings us to Section 5, Final Verdict. This brings us to the close of our explainer. Here is the final analytical conclusion, exactly as the source presented it. Hostinger is cheaper and more beginner-friendly than SiteGround. It is significantly faster than GoDaddy, and it offers way more out-of-the-box features than Ionos. Ultimately, the review cements an incredibly strong position for Hostinger in the 2026 landscape by successfully balancing extreme affordability with premium performance and next-generation AI tools. So I want to leave you with a final provocative question to think about. Does your current web host actually offer a modern ecosystem, or are you just paying for empty server space? If your files are just sitting on an aging server without any of these integrated tools, it might be time to evaluate what you're actually getting for your money. Thank you so much for joining this explainer, and keep exploring.